Yeah, hi everyone. Good morning.
Morning, Ansh.
Yes,
Good
like
morning.
in yesterday's class, so we have discussed about history of service. So how the service now came into the market and how the service now was expanded throughout the market. Okay,
Anji, your voice is too low.
is it okay? So you can see. ServiceNow is a ticketing tool. Okay, ServiceNow is a ticketing tool. ServiceNow was introduced by Fred Rudy in 2004. Fred Rudy was working for BMC Remedy almost for 20 years. Then he has taken a decision that he is going to develop a more advanced system than BMC Remedy. Okay, that is ServiceNow. So in that time, in 2004, yes, we have cloud technologies, but uh, it is not up to the market. Okay, at that time, we have only very less applications deployed in the cloud. Okay, so most of them, everybody used installing applications within their servers only. Okay, So, once the ServiceNow tool was implemented in 2004 with ITSM tool. ITSM stands for Information Technology Service Management. Okay. So in ITSM, mainly used for ticketing purpose. So if we get any issues, okay, if we get any issues, that should be resolved through by using the ITSM. Okay, that should be resolved by using the ITSM. So once the ServiceNow company created the ServiceNow ticketing tool, they have used internet that way. Okay. So after some time, they have given this ServiceNow tool to their existing customers. Okay, from their existing customers, they got good response about this ServiceNow tool. Then in 2011 December, the ServiceNow company started giving this ServiceNow tool to outside the market. Okay, for the external clients. Okay, so from December 2011 onwards, every organization started using ServiceNow. So mainly, ServiceNow should be used in all product-based companies, all MNC companies. Nowadays, ServiceNow also using smaller companies. Okay. So whenever the ServiceNow is came to the market with the ITSM tool, so we called ServiceNow is a ticketing tool. Okay. So then after ServiceNow started implementing different modules in ServiceNow. Okay. Now we are calling it as ServiceNow is a platform. ServiceNow is a platform. Okay. So this is the history of ServiceNow. So I just repeated. So whatever we discussed in yesterday's class. Okay. So any queries up to here?
No, Ansh.
No. Oh, that's fine. So you can we can discuss few more examples about service. So why we have to use service? Okay. So for example, so I'm going with first use case. Okay. For example, so we have SBI Bank. We have SBI banks all over India. Okay. So we have SBI banks all over India. So we can consider, so all over India, we have 10,000 branches. Okay, we have 10,000 branches. So in one bank, in one SBI bank, in one SBI bank, okay, manager trying to approve, manager trying to approve gold loan. Okay, so in front of manager, so we have 20 members in queue, we have 20 members in queue for sanctioning the gold loan, for sanctioning the gold loan. Okay, for example. Okay, so manager has to approve that gold loan in system by clicking on the approve button. Okay, but suddenly what happened is that approve button is not working. That approve button is not working. Okay, so is that SBI manager going to resolve the issue? Is they have idea about that issues and development things of that particular application? Yes, వాళ్ళకి ఐడియా ఉంటుందా అండి? No,
No.
they don't have idea. They can't, they are not able to resolve this issue, right? As a bank
Yes.
manager, so he knows only the functionality of that particular application. But if we get any issue, he don't know how to resolve it. Then the bank make a contract with some third party companies like TCS, Accenture, Infosys. Okay, with this kind of companies, that bank will make a contract. Okay, saying that, so within this particular application, if we get any issues, if we require any enhancements, additional functionalities, okay, you have to support us. It may be 24/7. So however, so based upon their discussions, they are going to make an agreement in between. So if this bank manager gets an issue with approve button from the gold loan application, immediately he will create a one ticket and it should be assigned to somebody from TCS, for example. If they make contract from TCS, for example, okay, it should be assigned to somebody from TCS. So they will connect with this manager and get full all the details about this particular issue, and they are going to resolve the issue. And they are going to resolve the issue. Got it? This example, everybody?
Yes.
Yes. Oh, this is one more example. So now you can see, I'm going to the next example. Next. Again, I'm taking some banking example. Okay. So we have ICICI Bank. We have ICICI Bank. Okay. So ICICI Bank planning to develop a new application for their business. Okay. New application for their business. It may be I can say maybe gold loan application. Application for example. So you can say maybe all the banks are following the manual procedures for gold loan application as of now. For example, okay, all banking sectors using the manual things for the gold loan application. So ICICI Bank started thinking about development of gold loan application for their organization. Okay, Is ICICI Bank going to develop this gold loan application? Yes. Is that ICICI Bank going to develop gold loan application? Definitely not. Their business is banking. They are able to understand the functionality of this gold loan application, but they don't know so how to develop this particular application and all. Okay, so if we are planning to develop any application, the application should be developed by different technologies. It may be by using Java, by using .NET, by using Python. So we have different languages, different technologies in the market. Okay. So this ICICI Bank communicate with some third-party company. For example, it is communicated with the TCS. Okay, for example, it is communicated with TCS. Then they made a contract for completion of this gold loan application takes 1,000 crores. Okay, for completion of this gold loan application takes 1,000 crores. Okay, that means this ICICI Bank need to pay 1,000 crores to the TCS company for developing a gold loan application. Okay, yes, they made a contract like this. Again, so nowadays the market should be like, so if some company come up with some new functionality, other companies also trying to build that functionality for their business. The market nowadays should be like that. Okay, so maybe after some time, so HDFC Bank, for example, HDFC Bank going to develop a gold loan application, for their business. Okay. Maybe HDFC taken contract with some other company. Maybe I'm going for Infosys or maybe TCS. Okay. Maybe they made a contract with Infosys for 1,200 crores. Okay. Like this, so we have multiple banks. Like this, we have multiple banks. For example, SBI, Union Bank. Okay. Like this, we have multiple banks. So you can see for every bank need to pay almost 1,000 crores to some third party company. Okay, you can see. I can say this is burden to that particular organization. So Servicenow has taken a decision. Servicenow has taken a decision, creating some default functionality for that gold loan application. Default functionality for gold loan application. Servicenow company has taken decision for developing a gold loan application, default gold loan application. And it is going to provide license to all the banking sectors with 1 crore rupees per year. 1 crore per year. Okay. Now you can tell me, so which methodology is best one? So may using 10,000 crores for one single application is best, or taking subscription from Servicenow is best? 100% here, taking subscription from Servicenow is best. So after taking subscription from Servicenow, Servicenow support, if they want to modify something within the gold loan application. So after taking subscription for gold loan application from Servicenow company, we can modify the functionality, or maybe adding new features to existing functionality, or removing functionality from the default gold loan application if they are not planning to use. Okay, all these things we can able to make, okay, changes. Okay, got it, everybody? So why we have to use ServiceNow? ServiceNow always come up with some default functionalities. Okay, no company going to make a huge amount for one single application. It's just need to take subscription from ServiceNow. Then ServiceNow support for all the changes. Okay. Any queries here?
No.
No. Yes. This is second example. Next. So if we go to any organization, so it uses different applications. For timesheet, one application. For applying and leave, one application. For tax declarations, it has some different application. For employee details, one application. You can see it will use multiple applications. Okay, one company has to use multiple applications for different functionalities. So if we are using ServiceNow, we can able to build all these functionalities within ServiceNow. We don't require to pay any subscription cost to different companies. Okay, so we can make timesheet within the ServiceNow. We can make uh, we can make uploading the employee details at one place. We can make applying leave and the leave balances within the service now. So we can make every application within the service now. Okay, this is one more benefit by using service now. Okay, so any queries from third example? Any queries?
No.
No. Perfect. Next, is everybody created service now instance? Nagababu, Swati.
Yeah, I have created Ansh.
Okay, perfect. And Swati, have you created service now instance?
Yes, yes.
Okay, perfect. Then in today class, so we are going to discuss about service now instance. What are the options in service now instance? How to change a password? Okay, we'll discuss about these kind of things. So for example, you can see. So in yesterday class, I have created one service now instance, right? This is my service now instance. I'm just copying it. So I'm pasting here. You can see what happens. Oh my God, it is available. That's fine. Okay. So I'm copying password to. So after logging into service now, so how to change a password after logging into service now instance? We have to navigate this user profile. Okay, this user profile, right top corner. So we have user profile. So after clicking on this icon, you can click profile. You can click on profile. Okay. Yes, I'm clicking on profile. Now, so here you can see, here we have a link called change password. Here we have link called change password. You can click on change password. Okay. Now I'm just clicking on change password. So if we click on change password, it will, first of all, it will ask for uh, existing password. That means old password. I'm just entering here. Then I'm entering new password. Yes, I'm going to follow same password as we use for developer.servicenow.com. Okay, that is TRAINING training@. You can look into this. Training@. AINING@. Okay, so I'm just clicking on change password. I'm just clicking on change password. I already clicked on change password. Yes, you can see the change password is success. The change password is success. Now again, I'm going to this profile. I'm logging out and I'm going to try for logging with new password. I'm clicking on logout. Okay. So you can see admin. So here I'm entering new password. TRAINING@. You can say this is our new password. I'm trying to log in into the Servicenow instance. Okay. Yes, we have successfully logged in into the Servicenow instance after changing a password. So any queries here?
No.
No. Perfect. Okay. Next. So for example, I'm trying to open this Servicenow instance. You can say dev19529. This is my previous Servicenow instance. You can say I'm trying to open. Oh my God, this is also available. Okay. I'm trying to open this Servicenow instance. Right. This is also. I'm trying to open this Servicenow instance. And so on. No. So basically, whatever the Servicenow instances we are using, all are available now. Okay. So generally, what happens is, so if we are not using Servicenow instance for more than 6 hours, we are not using Servicenow instance more than 6 hours or more than 12 hours, it is going to sleep mode. It is going to sleep mode. It will show the message saying that your instance is hibernating. That means it went to the sleep mode. So if we get that kind of message, so we have to log in into the Servicenow developer account, and it will automatically wake up the instance. Okay, we have to log in into the Servicenow developer account, and it will automatically wake up the Servicenow instance. It will take 1 minute to 5 minutes time. Okay, this is one option. So maybe if my Servicenow instance went to the instance sleeping mode, I will show you that screen at that time. Okay. Yes. Next. So if we are not using Servicenow instance for 10 days, if we are not using Servicenow instance for 10 days, the instance is assigned to you will be gone. The instance should be assigning to you will be gone and no longer available that Servicenow instance with you. Okay. So మనం 10 days కనుక Servicenow instance ఓపెన్ చేయకపోతే ఆ ఇన్స్టాన్స్ పోతుంది, ఇంకా మనకి అవైలబిలిటీలో ఉండదు. అగైన్ వీ హ్యావ్ టు క్రియేట్ ఎ న్యూ Servicenow instance. ఇది ఒక ఆప్షన్. నెక్స్ట్, Sometimes for ServiceNow instance, it will show under maintenance. ఓకే, ఒక్కోసారి ఏం చూపిస్తుంది అంటే అండర్ మెయింటెనెన్స్ అని చెప్పేసి చూపిస్తుంది. సో ఇఫ్ ద సర్వీస్ నౌ ఇన్స్టాన్స్ ఇన్ అండర్ మెయింటెనెన్స్ వీ క్యాన్ డూ ఎనీథింగ్. ఓకే, మనం ఏమీ చేయలేము అనమాట. సో వీ హ్యావ్ టు వెయిట్ అంటిల్ అవర్ ఇన్స్టాన్స్ షుడ్ బి బ్యాక్. ఓకే, మన ఇన్స్టాన్స్ వచ్చేంత వరకు ఇంకా మనం వెయిట్ చేయడం. అండర్ మెయింటెనెన్స్లోకి వెళ్ళిపోతే మనం ఏమీ చేయలేము అనమాట. సో దట్స్ వై ఎవ్రీబడి నీడ్ టు మెయింటైన్ 2 ServiceNow ఇన్స్టాన్సెస్. ప్రతి ఒక్కళ్ళు 2 ServiceNow ఇన్స్టాన్సెస్ మెయింటైన్ చేస్తే బెటర్గా ఉంటుంది. ఓకే, ఎనీ క్వరీస్ అప్ టు హియర్?
No.
No. Swati, do you have any queries?
No, no, no.
No. Perfect then. So these are the ServiceNow instance options. Okay, these are the ServiceNow instance options. Maybe going forward, I will also explain you each and every option from the ServiceNow developer account. Okay, from ServiceNow developer account, I will explain you each and every functionality. Now, I'm going to ServiceNow introduction. So we are going to see so why we have to use ServiceNow. We already taken some examples, okay, and we already discussed about it. So still, so I'm going to ServiceNow introduction there. So we have different versions, different modules. You can able to understand everything. You can see. So why ServiceNow? So first thing is ServiceNow is a cloud. Okay, ServiceNow is a cloud solution. So that's what we have to use ServiceNow. చూడండి, ServiceNow is an integrated cloud solution which combines all the services in a single system of record. Okay, ServiceNow is an integrated cloud solution which combines all these services in a single system of record. It supports infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, software as a service. It supports as PaaS, SaaS. Okay, so you can see in the cloud infrastructure as a service, infrastructure as a service. So basically you can see, so if we want to host some application within the server, మనం ఏదైనా ఒక అప్లికేషన్ ని హోస్ట్ చేయాలి అనుకుంటే సర్వర్లో, we need proper infrastructure for that. Okay, like we need web server, so we need some monitoring tools. So we have to use some language, so we have to use some database, we have to verify the connectivity in between. We need some web services like the JBoss or Apache Tomcat server, Glassfish, Willify server. We have different servers. We need all these setup. Okay, infrastructure. First of all, for hosting an application, we need proper environment. Okay, so that should be created by ServiceNow company itself. We don't bother about that. So if we are planning to take ServiceNow subscription for our organization, okay, like taking care of infrastructure, ServiceNow company will take care of infrastructure. Okay, next, platform as a service. Yes, as I discussed. So if we want to develop an application, we need technology, some language, it may be Java, .NET, Python, like that. We need some database, we need front-end technologies, we need servers, web services. Okay, everything, this platform, okay, this platform will take care by the service. We don't worry about this. The ServiceNow is already built with some languages, some database. Okay, we'll discuss further. Okay, so platform గురించి కూడా ServiceNow కంపెనీ will take care. Okay, next, software as a service. You can see yesterday we have created ServiceNow instance. We just using ServiceNow instance as an URL. ఒక URL లాగా మనము సర్వీస్ నౌ ఇన్స్టాన్స్ యూజ్ చేస్తాం. So we are not installing anything in our laptop. We are not writing anything for opening service now instance. It's just a matter of logging into one website. Okay, that we are calling as software as a service. That we are calling as software as a service. So if you want to learn more and more about the cloud solutions, so you can go to any browser and you can search for the information. Okay, so as of now this information is fine for why service now. Okay, any queries here, please let me know.
No, Ansh.
Okay, perfect. Next. Next. చూడండి, what is service? What is service? ServiceNow is an IT management platform that allows organizations to manage all aspects of their IT infrastructure, including asset management, IT service management, CMDB management of IT assets and devices. Okay. IT service management. Okay. సో చూడండి, సర్వీస్ నౌ అనేది షుడ్ బి యూజ్డ్ ఇన్ ఎవ్రీ ఆర్గనైజేషన్. సర్వీస్ నౌ అనేది ప్రతి ఆర్గనైజేషన్లో యూజ్ చేస్తాం. ఏ ప్రతి ఇండస్ట్రీలో కూడా యూజ్ చేస్తాం. ఓకే, సో ప్రతి ఇండస్ట్రీలో ప్రతి ఆర్గనైజేషన్లో ఏ ఏరియాలో సర్వీస్ నౌ మనం యూజ్ చేస్తాము, ఏ ఏరియాలో మనం సర్వీస్ నౌ యూజ్ చేస్తాము ఇన్ ఐటీ ఫీల్డ్. సో యూ కెన్ సే ServiceNow is an IT management platform that allows organizations to manage all aspects of their IT infrastructure, including asset management, IT service management, CMDB management of IT assets and devices. It also specializes in ITSM, ITOM, and ITBM. Okay, this ITSM, CMDB, ITOM, ITBM, these all are the modules in ServiceNow. Okay, it supports for IT infrastructure. ServiceNow is an IT management platform that allows organizations to manage all aspects of their IT infrastructure, including asset management, IT service management, CMDB management of IT assets and devices. Okay, it is ServiceNow definition. So this definition, like I just written this definition. Okay, maybe if you go to the browser, maybe you will find same definition for ServiceNow, or sometimes you will find some different definition for ServiceNow. Anything is fine. Okay, any definition is fine. Next, you can see this we already discussed. ServiceNow was founded in 2004 and stepped foot into the ITSM, okay, field, and provided competition to established players like IBM, HP. Okay, so basically kind of ITSM tools. Okay, so we have many ITSM tools in the market like ServiceNow, but ServiceNow has advanced functionality than other ITSM tools. So everybody using service. Okay. ServiceNow founder was Fred Ruby. ServiceNow founder was Fred Ruby. You can see initially ServiceNow developed with a Java technology, Apache Tomcat web server, and SQL database. మనం యూజ్ చేస్తున్న ఈ ServiceNow ఇన్స్టాన్స్ ఏ లాంగ్వేజ్ బేస్ చేసుకొని డెవలప్ చేశారండి? జావా. ఇట్ ఈస్ a Java based application. Okay, so we are using Tomcat server. We are using Tomcat server for this ServiceNow instance. We are using SQL database. We are using SQL database for this. So in initial days, whenever the ServiceNow came out for the market, in initial days, everybody using ServiceNow with Java technology, Apache Tomcat server, and MySQL database. Nowadays, how it should be like? For technology, still we are using Java for developing a ServiceNow application. Okay, and the web server. So, for example, if our organization has already taken subscription to some web server, maybe for example, our organization has taken subscription to JBoss web server, then they will provide license, the ServiceNow license with JBoss server only. For database, for example, if we are having Oracle database license, our organization having Oracle database license, then ServiceNow will provide the ServiceNow instance with Oracle database only. As per our needs, the ServiceNow will provide the ServiceNow instance. Okay, మనం ఆల్రెడీ ఏ వెబ్ సర్వర్ అయితే యూజ్ చేస్తున్నామో ఆ వెబ్ సర్వర్ తోటి ఇస్తుంది. మనము ఏ డేటాబేస్ లైసెన్స్ అయితే మెయింటైన్ చేస్తున్నామో ఆ లైసెన్స్ తోటి మనకి ServiceNow ఇన్స్టాన్స్ ఇచ్చేస్తుంది అనమాట. ఓకే, సో ఎనీ క్వరీస్ హియర్? Any queries up to here? Rajesh?
No, sir.
No, perfect. So basically, this meeting will end in 1 minute. Okay. So as I already conveyed to you, so we are using free Zoom services. So for every 40 minutes, we have to log in. Okay. So once this meeting ends, we can join again with the same meeting. Then we'll discuss about modules in ServiceNow. We'll discuss about modules in ServiceNow. So we have multiple modules in ServiceNow. You can say ITSM, ITOM, ITBM, PPM,